Is it possible to add volume controls and shortcut keys to a mechanical keyboard, which does not have the keys? I am going to purchase a mechanical keyboard, but it will contain no volume controls or program shortcuts. Assuming I purchase a plain keyboard, is there a technology available that would provide me quick access to volume controls and common programs?
You could use a generic hotkey utility like AutoHotkey to assign keyboard shortcuts, something unlikely to be used by normal applications, like Ctrl plus Alt plus F12, to perform your desired special functions. Examples: Windows plus F11 increase volume. Ctrl plus Alt plus Numpad 0 start calculator. See the linked pages for hotkey reference, changing volume.